Welcome to the kitchen of Chez Trips. I am the owner and proprietor, Chef Trips.
Come on, oh baby, don't you wanna go? Come on.
For today's video, we had the privilege of being a guest via live video feed of the Bears Country podcast, where I prepared the soul food spaghettis and fried catfish nuggets. For today's video, it has been edited to show that the soul food spaghettis recipe, and next week's video, we will have the part 2 of this week's video, the conclusion with the fried catfish nuggets. So please make sure you are subscribed, and you like, if you like, and you share. That would be beautiful. And please be sure to add any comments in the section below, as well as we will always have the recipes and the instructions written out on the website sportschicagostyle.com on the page of Chez Trips.
Oh yeah.
What are you?
Hello. Hello.
What's
Hello.
up?
Hello.
What's going on? What's
Can you
up?
hear me? Hello. Can you hear me? Can you see me?
Triple R.
Welcome to the kitchen of Chez Trips. I am your chef, Trips. And today we are making a very special dish that are live and in person by a special request by someone by the name of the PJs. We are making the soul food spaghettis with the French fried catfish nuggets.
Whoa.
So please join me and participate. I will not be able to view you, as my apologies for the technical difficulties of the camera viewing varieties. So I will not have the separate camera to view me as well as the dishes. So you will be able to see only the dishes, but you will be able to hear me, if that is satisfactory.
That is great. However, we are one pick away from the Bears right now.
You talk as you will. I will remain quiet and do my thing.
Sounds good.
He says, yeah.
This is our little
Pick
surprise.
122. This is Chez Trips Show.
This is our little surprise for you, PJ. Fish and spaghetti.
Okay.
Miami.
I'm
So
actually
it
thinking about
seems
doing
as
fish and spaghetti. I'm actually thinking about doing fish and spaghetti. I'm actually thinking about doing fish and spaghetti. But he doing catfish nuggets though.
Can you see the pots okay? Can you see my cooking areas?
Yes, we can, sir.
Yes.
Chez
Very
Trip.
good. Very good. And it's not Chez Trips. That's the name of the restaurants. I am the Chef Trips.
Multiple
Now-
personalities.
He's letting them take over. Gotta be careful, man.
Now, please, as soon as the Bears are on the clock, let me know. But just to let you know, I have preheated the water to put our spaghettis in. This is the dish we're going to make our sauce. And then in here, we're going to put the oil for our catfish and nuggets. And yes, they are nuggets, but they are still fish. Don't be a son of a bitch.
Trips. I thought you were making fish and spaghetti. What's with the sausage? And what kind of sausage is that? Is that like kielbasa?
That is not the kielbasa of the sausages. That is the andolis.
Ooh.
Ah, Andui.
And then it will be put to the side after it browns a little bit in its own juices and a little bit of olive oil. I stir it around, and then we will remove it, and then we will induce our vegetables and our ground beefs, and then it will be beautiful. Patience, young man. Let the food cook. Let the process happen.
That sounds like a great pasta sauce.
Where's
Well,
the spaghetti?
Spaghetti, motherfucker, spaghetti. Yeah.
That's what I was looking for. Yeah, do it again.
Spaghetti with the sauce. You don't have spaghetti without the sauce.
Spaghetti, motherfucker, spaghetti. Yeah.
I like Pat Gallagher's comment here.
Oh man.
What you want to do with the sausage, you want to render it out nice and slowly so it doesn't burn, but it gets a nice brown, crispy coating, and it caramelizes right there in the pan, which we will now use for our vegetables.
Are you gonna
Hello. Hello.
There he is.
Oh, thank you. I apologize for further technical difficulties, but I am glad to be back with you. Now, if you have noticed, I have not added any wine or any vinegars or anything else. You put in some butter and let it deglaze with the vegetables.
Excellent.
Who's our expert chef in the comments?
Cliff.
Well,
Victoria.
saying for a triple R to be careful with the fond, so the residue at the bottom of that pan, just make sure it doesn't burn with those vegetables.
That's why you keep the fire on the low, and that's why the sausages brown slowly and the vegetables cook slowly, because we are not using a skillet type flame. Thank you very much, Chef.
Low and slow. The pan looks fine. He's doing good.
By the way, did you see? I wanted to.
And if you notice, the bottom of the pan has no burns or no scorches. And then we have the garlic that we will put in now as well.
Tremendous, so sure.
Trips, Squeegee says you need a big jug of wine, a razor blade, and garlic for the guy like in The Godfather.
I appreciate the comments, and Squeegee and The Godfather. It wasn't The Godfather, but it was one of those movies of those stereotypical type varieties.
It was
where Paul Sorvino, he was slicing the garlic so very thin, and he had the metrosexual nails, just like Caleb Williams, but hers were clear. His were clear.
That was actually Goodfellas.
So you cook your ground beef with your vegetables.
The ground beef is browning slowly with the bottom of the pan, and it cooks in with the vegetables.
Those vegetables have been in there too.
Yes, the vegetables, that's why you keep them low and slow, as they do not overcook or do not render away too much. Yeah. It will be beautiful, never you worry.
Oh, we're not worried.
So as you can see, or if you can, the browned beef is browning down there, so we mix it up, and then we keep the beef on the bottom, and we keep the vegetables like in the cool spots on the side. So we're doing two things at once. The spaghettis are now going into the water, so who is ever keeping the timer, please begin.
Damn,
what do you need the timer for, Triple R?
10 minutes.
You got it.
It started at
I got it.
2:05 on
and I will have you know that Triple R is not here. You may refer to me as Chef Trips.
Oh, excuse me, Chef. Sorry.
Yes, Chef.
Don't let that shit happen again.
Spaghetti with the sauce.
He loves them.
Now, after you notice, our ground beef is now turning nicely brown, and the vegetables are mixing well. At this point, we will keep the flame nice and low and slow. Remember, you can manipulate your fire, slow it down, speeding up as necessary. So never feel worried or never feel pressure to do anything in the kitchen. As long as it's beautiful to your taste buds, it'll be beautiful.
Now, where's the catfish?
The catfish, Right now, one moment, please. I will show you as I only have 2 hands, and then I will put this down. The catfish has been battered in milk and butter and is now sitting in its Louisiana French fry flavoring. And this
God, that
oil
looks
right
good.
here, I am beginning to heat up to 350 degrees.
It's killing me here.
Excellent.
Are you throwing any seasonings in there, Chef Trips?
The fish fry is seasoned on its own, but there are also some spaghetti seasonings that I will add later.
Nice.
You guys,
And now, after all the pink is out of your beef, now you can swirl it around with your vegetables.
Hold on, we got a super chat.
Jay Grizz! Triple R in the kitchen.
I believe I have corrected that mistake, but he probably sent that super chat, which is much appreciated, to the Bears Country podcast. Before I informed him that the Triple R is not here right now, I am Chef motherfucking Trips. Motherfuckers.
Sorry, Chef. Sorry, Chef.
yes, Chef. Yes, Chef.
Yes, Chef.
That is much better.
So Grizz
Now,
says,
as you see-
Chef Trips in the kitchen. I knew I smelled what the R is cooking. I just wanted to drop in and show some love. Thank you, Jay Grizz.
Appreciate you, Jay Grizz.
Appreciate
That
that,
is
man.
much love. Now, our spaghetti seasonings that we will add so it can marry into the vegetables, into the ground beef, are some basil, some Italian, some garlic powder, some onion powder, and a few crushed red pepper flakes.
Van Pran just went.
Chef, you've got 6 minutes on your spaghetti.
Roger that, sir.
So Trips,
Now-
or Chef Trips, you're putting in tomato paste now, right?
That is correct, sir. That is a tomato paste, and we put them in individually, and we stir them around to add the utaname. That is the added flavor. That is from a different language that I do not pronounce very well, but it gives you the layers of the different flavors.
So you're doing the straight up ragu style sauce.
I am not familiar with this person.
Well, ragu is meat. When you add
Well,
meat to your sauce.
Ragu is technically also a brand of sauce as well.
Well, yeah, but
I don't know
it
if he'd be insulted by that.
No. I mean, ragu is they called it that because that's what it is. It has meat in it.
Oh, yes,
Okay.
I was familiar with the one on the store, but there was the meatless ragu as well, so that is my confusion.
Yeah, well, that's because their name. They branded their name ragu.
51 seconds.
We've added our tomato paste, our crushed tomatoes, and a little pasta sauce. Now we will use a little bit of sugar, not to make it sweet, but to cut the acidity.
You can throw some baking powder, some baking soda in there too. That'll.
I could, but I am not, because that is not part of this recipe.
You know, you do.
So this is
Chef, your timer's off. Spaghetti is ready to be pulled.
Thank you very much.
I got you with the Raz right now, boys.
And just so you know, while you were looking that up, I introduced our spaghetti's noodles into the sauce and stirred them around. Now I'm putting our sausages back in, and we'll let this simmer while we do our fishes.
excellent.
7:02. Wow.
See this?
Oh, that looks nice, Chef.
Is it plated?
Yeah.
There we
Oh,
go.
yeah.
If you can tell, the green
need
peppers
two
and the
plates.
onions and the mushrooms are all up in there and combined nicely.
All up
You
in
have
there.
the fish, and it's nice and crunchy on the outside, soft and fluffy on the inside, and then the roasted garlic butter toast. So this is a nice Italian, but
That's
a
nice.
soul food spaghetti with the fish.
That's nice. That's
That
nice.
looks delicious. Not
That's
not
nice.
touching each other, but
Yeah, just need another plate, Chef. 2 plates and you're golden.
Just like that, man. Just like that.
Mm.
What
That
else?
is fish and spaghetti, motherfucker.
Yeah, that's nice right there.
There you
Everyone
go.
knows that part.
There you go.
Spaghetti with
The
the
hot
sauce. Spaghetti, motherfucker, spaghetti. Yeah.
And so now this is the official soul food spaghetti with the fried catfish nuggets with a little homemade tartar sauce and the hot sauce.
Delicious. Delicious, chef.
Oh
Banging.
man, no.
Go sit down and eat that so we don't have to watch your ugly mug eat that thing.
Uno momento por favor, as I raise up my camera so you can see the greatness in the person.
He even got the hat. Oh man, that's what's up.
Oh, we
As
both
all good chefs should. So thank you very much for joining us from the kitchens of Chez Trips. I am your Chef Trips. We hope you have enjoyed our recipes. And remember to go to our channel of sportschicagostyle.com and all of the other places. And sometimes I will do other recipes that show you healthier things and other ways to prepare the foods with the ingredients that you have. And it will be beautiful, just like this spaghetti and the catfish nuggets with the garlic toast bread.
And look, it's Cliff Victoria approved.
Yeah, chef. Cliff is saying that he'd eat that. No Diddy.
Pause.
You're making me hungry.
Beautiful.
Thank you, chef. Thank you for sharing your dish with us today.
Yes, man.
Thank you very
man.
much for having me on this Bears Day of the draft, and we welcome our new players because the power of polls compels us, and we will have a great season, and we will take it from there, and I look forward to seeing everybody from the BCP in the future.
Thank you, chef. Thank you.
Thank you, Chef Trips.
Happy draft day, buddy.
Happy draft day. Appreciate your trips.
That was awesome. Thank you, man. That was cool. That was a little surprise that we arranged.
I appreciate that, man. Thank you.
That was fun. Now I'm hungry though.
Yeah.
For real.
Yeah.
Yeah, no shit.
Thank you for watching, and be sure to follow us on the Twitter, the Instagram, the Facebook, and the YouTubes, Sports Chicago Style, and also our website, sportschicagostyle.com, where you can find all the recipes that I present from Chez Trips on our page, Chez Trips. Thank you.